Good morning, student. Today we are going to see the meaning of industry. Okay. Prior to that, just we take a look of our earlier lecture. In our earlier lecture, we had seen what is the meaning of business. Then what is the definition of business. So what is the business? So business is nothing but it may be your occupation or profession. Shortly, we can say that the business is an economic activity which involves regular production and exchange of goods and services. That goods and services is going to satisfy the human wants, and the main purpose behind that business is to satisfy the human wants as well as to earn the profit. Okay, so as we had seen, what business involves? Business involves production and exchange of goods, and main aim of this business is to earn the profit as well as along with the satisfying human wants. Okay, then there is the definition of business. Okay, so business is nothing but this is the all activity which are concerned with the production and the sales of the goods and services to purpose that by selling out this product and services earning the profit. Okay, now today we are going to see the meaning of industry. Okay, you heard this word industry many a time. Okay, so you must aware about this word industry. So industry is nothing but it is the production side of the business activity. As recently we had seen the meaning of business. Business is what? It is the activity in which the production of the goods and services is to be done. And in industry, this production procedure is to be carried out for any business. Okay, so industry is nothing but it is the side of business activity. It is a business activity which is related to the raising, producing, processing and manufacturing of product. Okay, in the industry the product and services is going to be manufactured or produced, and afterward in the business that is going to be sell out at the money. Okay, the product are the consumer goods as well as producer goods. Okay, so consumer goods, to which product we are going to be called as the consumer goods and producer goods. Okay, so consumer goods are those products which is finally used by the consumer, like food grains, textile, cosmetics and VCR. Okay, whatever the electronic devices available in the showroom, that all are the consumer goods which is going to be finally used by the consumer. That all goods are called as consumer goods. But what is about the producer goods? Okay, so producer goods are the goods used by the manufacturer for producing some other goods like machinery, tools, equipment. Are you getting what is producer goods? So producer goods are those goods which is going to be used by the manufacturer to produce the some other goods. Okay. For example, if we are going to take a cosmetics or any electronic device which are available in the showroom. Okay, so to finalize that product there is a need of some machinery, tools and equipment. So that product which are available in the showroom, that is a consumer good, whereas to finalize that product which are available in the showroom, that all machineries, tools and equipments are going to be called as the producer goods. Okay, then here is the definition of industry given. An industry is a group of companies that are related based on their primary business activity. Okay, so industry is what? It is nothing but it is a group of companies that are related on their primary business activity. So जो भी ऑल कंपनीज है या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनीज है जो सेम प्राइमरी बिजनेस एक्टिविटीज कैरिड आउट करते हैं, उन्हें हम इंडस्ट्री कह सकते हैं. देन सेकंड डेफिनेशन हियर इज गिवन. In a modern economies, there are dozens of industry classification which are typically grouped in a larger categories called sectors. Okay, individual companies are generally classified into an industry based on their largest source of revenue. Okay, so largest source of revenue जो है उस पे बेसिस इंडिविजुअल कंपनीज जो है वहां पे क्लासिफाइड की गई है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, while an automobile manufacturer might have a financing division that contribute 10% to the firm's overall revenue. Okay, so whatever the automobile manufacturing companies, they are contributing 10% of the revenues to the company, and that company would be classified in the automaker industry by most classification systems. Okay, now we are going to see the meaning of commerce. As you are the part of a commerce stream, you all know what is the meaning of commerce. So commerce is nothing but it is a branch of production that deals with the exchange of goods and services at any stage between a producer and a final consumer. Okay, getting what is the meaning of commerce? So commerce is nothing but it is the branch where the product and the services is going to be produced, and that is going to be given to the consumer to satisfy their needs in exchange of money. That is the process of exchanging the product. Okay, the exchange of buying and selling of commodities, especially the exchange of merchandise on a large scale between different places and communities, extend the trade or traffic. The interchange of goods or commodities, especially on a large scale between different countries or between the populations within the same country. It includes trade. Okay, the buying and selling of exchange of a commodity, whether wholesale or retail, it is called as the trade. And the business is what? The purchase and sale of goods to make a profit. Okay, so commerce is what? It is nothing but it is a branch where the production of goods and services to be carried out, and that is going to be exchanged with the consumer. Okay, then now we are going to see the definition of commerce. Okay, so commerce is the conduct of a trade among economic agent. Okay, so commerce is what? It is nothing but it is a trade which is going to be conducted within the economic agents. Generally, commerce refers to an exchange of goods and services or something of value between businesses or entities. Entities means what? There is a group of companies or a group of retailer or wholesaler. They are doing a commercial activity. Okay, so that is the exchange of goods and services. Okay, from a broad perspective, nations are concerned with the managing commerce in a way that enhances the well-being of citizens by providing job and producing beneficial goods and services. The definition of a commerce means the buying and selling goods on a large scale or a social relation. Okay, so social relations means what? Here the goods and services is going to be sell out for the well-being of the human being, means to satisfy whatever the human wants are there. Okay, by selling that product, what they want, that is provided to them in exchange of some value. Okay, an example of commerce is the social or intellectual exchanges among the group of friends. Okay, so intellectual exchanges means what? Whatever needs of the human being that is going to be satisfied, or for that completion of a need the product is going to be launched. That's why it is called as the it's a social and intellectual exchange among a group of friends. Okay, so this is all about our this meaning, definition of industry, and meaning and definition of commerce. Okay, thank you.